Hey everyone, welcome. This is Mr. Wyant, and what I decided to do was just kind of send a video out through your Hangout this week. This will not be any checkpoint. I just wanted to kind of send this out to you guys. First off, I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. If I don't get to talk to you, because I know some of you I don't check in with, you're not part of my mentor group. But if I don't talk to you before Thursday, have an awesome Thanksgiving. Again, I usually time off, but if you get chances throughout the week, maybe just get online and maybe there's some things you can do if you have some downtime. But I'm not going to make anything mandatory. I want you to enjoy time with your family, just have an awesome time off and relax, and then just enjoy yourselves. And then we'll hit the ground running when we come back next Monday. I did want to say a couple things just to remind you guys. I know I have gave you guys some new policies, and I sent videos to this Hangout before. I kind of just wanted to walk through the unit and show you the norms and procedures checkpoint that is at the beginning of each unit to show you exactly what the new procedures are in our class, and to show you exactly the cool downs that I want you to complete. I had said before that these math units have extended the cool downs a lot more than it did last year, and a lot of them are redundant, or that they just do the same thing just in different wording. So what I've done is I've cut back on some of them. We're still meeting the standards. We're still helping you for the assessment, but again, it's not having you complete all of them. But I kind of wanted to show you exactly where these were in your unit so that you can find them. The reason, again, not only am I wishing a happy Thanksgiving, but I also just want to kind of be urgent with some of you that still need to finish the first unit. We need to get on the ball, and we need to get this thing finished. And because again, I don't want you to fall too far behind, but I don't want to just not have you do the unit, because like math builds upon itself, and we can't miss content that you need for the other units, because again, you'll need it for future assignments that we do. So I urge you to get in here and get some things done. If you honestly just message me, if you're still in the first unit, just message me. We can actually work through and just have you complete a certain number of cool downs, with us as we talk through it, and then you can take the end of the assessment and then move on to that second unit. The second unit, I will be extending the date until Tuesday, and then the next unit itself will, actually I'll extend the date till next Monday, but the new unit for math 7 and 8 will open next Monday, and that will be due December 20th, the time before we leave Christmas. So again, the next units that we are on, it's kind of funny how math 7 and 8 are both in the same number of units, but the next units for both classes are fairly shorter, so they won't take you near as much as time, so it'll give chances for kids to catch up. So I've sort of extended this last unit a little farther to give those the chance to catch up. So I know I said enjoy family over the weekend, but that might be time for you just to get caught up if you have any downtime. And then next week we can kind of just move forward and get you through the units themselves. So as I share my screen, I just wanted to show you real quick, and I'm just using Math 7 as an example, but Math 8, you would be the same way. So again, before each unit, when we go in here and we click on a unit, I have that norms and procedures right here for you to use. And if you click the overview, mine's a little different, but when you click on that, all right, there's going to be this cool down completion list. When we click on that, it will actually give you the list of cool downs that I want you to complete in order to complete this assessment or this unit, and that you can take the end of the unit assessment. If all these are green, then you're good to go. But remember, if you turn any of these red, the policy is you need to go back and complete the weekly lesson before that and turn that green, and then be able to turn this checkpoint green to move on. So again, if you do get a red, I am requiring you to go back and complete the weekly lesson before it. But if you get these all green, even if you get them yellow and just had to adjust a few things, you can move through and then get to the end of the unit assessment and complete the unit. So I give you a list, and you can use this list to help you work through the unit and know which ones that you have to complete. So again, don't work through all of this and complete every checkpoint to get to the cool down, or sorry, the unit assessment. If you need it, then go ahead and do it, but I'm not requiring you to do so because the length of these are already so large. So I kind of just wanted to show you that where that was at, and that's found in every unit in Math 7 and 8. If you go in there, there's a thing called norms and procedures, okay? And the new units next Monday will have the same exact thing to them. So I just, again, wanted to send this out as an urgent reminder to those that are in the first unit that you need to get that done. And if you just reach out to me, we will work together and find ways for you to complete some of these cool downs just to get that end of the unit assessment done and be able to kind of get back on track. Again, I don't want to just push you through, but I don't want you to fall so far behind that it becomes very hectic and nerve-wracking when it comes to the end of the year and we got things to do. So again, over the next couple of days, reach out to me. We can work together. Let's get some things done. Let's end this right this week. And then again, if I don't see you, I really do wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And I will talk to you guys when we get back. Thank you.